Hi, welcome to SAP MM configurations. When we start SAP MM configuration, here are three types of structure in SAP. First one, enterprise structure. Second one, personal structure. Third one, organization structure. We are starting with enterprise structure. Enterprise structure is structure that represent an enterprise in SAP ERP system. If I take a example, if I am taking the example of Reliance. As a Reliance is company. Under the Reliance, there are multiple company like Reliance Infrastructure, Reliance Petroleum, Reliance Telecom. Under Reliance Telecom, there are multiple plants. I mean, I will take example like SAP Telecom in Maharashtra. There are at a location they have 5 plants of telecom. Or take example of SAP Petroleum. They have multiple plants at multiple location. Under the plants, they have multiple storage location. Let's take a plants of petroleum. They have 5 or 6 or n number of storage 1, storage 2, storage 3. Let's storage 1 is 100 milliliter, 100 liter. And or if you take example of any manufacturing company like yarn manufacturing company, they have multiple storage for their raw material, for their semi finished material, for their finished material. These are storage location. For raw material, when we are talking about company and company structure, there is a purchasing department. So there is a purchase organization that will manage all purchase related activity. Now let's start with enterprise structure. First of all, we will create company. I will take example KP00. My company is KP00. It's an electronics company. So the path to define company, when we configure, all configurations are done in T code SPRO. SPRO is T code, transaction code, user to configuration. Any configuration, MM configuration, FI configuration, PP configuration, all are done in SPRO. The path for company configuration is IMG. When we type SPROT code, click enter, first you see SAP reference IMG. So I will take short name IMG. Click on IMG, go to enterprise structure, then definition, financial accounting, then find define company. Click on enterprise structure, then definition, financial accounting, define company. The best way or recommended way is copy from standard company. SAP provide us standard company to create our company. In every configuration like company, plant, SAP give their predefined standards so that we will follow standard. The benefit to follow standard is we will not getting error, or our configuration is correct and company are running smoothly. To run business smooth, we will always use standard. Click on position, type 1000. 1000 is standard provided by SAP. Click on this, copy row, select row, and then click on copy. Click on position, write 1000, select row, click on copy. give your company name here, like I will give KP00 electronics company. You will give description of your company, give postal address, city, street, PO box, click on enter, click on save. When you click on save, it's asking for TR. What is TR? TR is transport request. The configuration I am doing at this server, when you click on here, you find this as ERT code. Why I will provide this all information in TR? The TR is transport request that will take my all configuration from this client, from this server to my pre-production server. Where we configure is golden client. This is used for configure. We will do all configuration in golden client, then we'll take that all configuration to pre-production server. This is middleware server. We do testing at that server with live copy live data from production server, then we take that setting to production server. I will explain you here. We have three servers. First is development server, where we do all testing and configuration. Then pre-production server, here backup is taken. Here is live data, not current live data. It's data taken, backup taken for production server, actual server. Production is live server where all live process or transaction are going on. From production, we time to time we will take backup at pre-production. Pre-production have all live data but past live data, like today is January. We will take in previous 3 months we will take the backup. Some company take backup quarterly, some monthly. So production data is remained at pre-production as a backup. So when we done all configuration and development, we move that configuration setting to pre-production with the help of TR, transport request. When we done testing at pre-production, then we move same TR to production at actual server. These are three servers. Now come back to our enterprise structure. We are defining company, that is our path, and when we save is ask for TR. Click on this button, create request, give your description of your TR, electronics company MM configuration. Click on enter, click on OK. Your company defined. Company code is KP00, name electronics company. Click on back button. Our second step is define credit control area. Here all credits are, this is our credit control area that control our all credits. Click on in same way, click on position, search 1000 standard, select copy, give your control area. We take KP AR, our control area, currency INR. Here click on F4 F5 variant. This variant define your financial area. In India, we follow April to March. In other country, in foreign, some country follow January to December. Here we define our control area. You Here we configure multiple control area. For practice, you will take B4 standard F5 variant, click enter. This is your credit control area. Give description. Credit control area. Press enter, press save. Move this object or this setting to same tier, so that in the end you will able to move all your configuration with single tier from one client to other client. I mean one server to other server. When you check at your login pad, when you click on your server, here you look client. This is your client. This define your server: development server, pre-production server, and production server. You will click here. This will give T code name. This will give your system. This will give your client. This is your username. I am logged with this in. This is program name that I am executing. This is my transaction. That is response time, interpretation time, and leave it trip or flushes. Now we complete two step. One, company, and second is credit control area. The path, SPRO path, the better if you should know the path, configuration path. I will show you the path. First, enterprise structure. Click on enterprise structure. Click on definition. Click on financial accounting. Here you find all our definition that we are defining for our enterprise structure. First, we define company code. Second, we define credit control area. Now third one is company code. Our company is KP00. Credit control is KPAR. Now we are defining company code. Click on edit, copy, delete company code. Double click on copy, delete. Click on copy. See reading all table. In the meanwhile, I will show you one more way. If you want to open new transaction in running your transaction, click on this button, create session. It will give new tab. SPRO, reference image, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting. This is your path. It's reading table. बस वही 5 मिनट में आ रहा हूँ, 10 मिनट में। if one person is doing configuration at one client and other person try to do same configuration at time, like I will click on copy edit, click on that button, it will show data is locked by user. At a time one person can do one configuration. Here it open the tab, here we give standard 1000 and give our company code. I will take KPCC, my company code. Click on yes, yes. It is asking to copy. Do you want to copy journal ledger? Do you want to copy number range? Then so click on yes, yes. Give your currency. I will give INR, Indian currency. Click on this. Click on OK. OK. It will copying all table. The another way to define it directly, edit company code, select this position, but this is not recommended way. Recommended way is always copy, delete, check company and copy from standard 1000. It copying table. Meanwhile we will start with our third step. We define company code KPCC. Now our fourth step is defining plant. It is copying. This all step till now we have done company code, credit control area, company is normally done by FICO person. But to start SAP MM configuration we need this 3 step. So we done so that MM person also know configuration of FICO. That is required for further configuration of MM. Till now what we done, create company code, from where enterprise structure, definition, financial coding, define company. I have created company. Second one credit control area. Third company code. Now fourth is plant. The plant is find in, click on logistic, you will find define, copy, delete, check plant. Define plant. Meanwhile we check our first step is going on. This is our company. It is copying multiple table. Just click on OK. It will copy all dependent table. All things are copy. Now click on this truck symbol, give your company code, press enter. It will transport your all setting in this tier. Your transport request successfully created with this setting. Your company code KPCC created. Click on back button. Click on edit if you want to change anything. Like you want to change your company code name, anything else, you will normally find position KPCC. Click on this. Click on detail. Here you find all detail. If you want to change anything, you can change simply from edit. Like I will give, click on edit, click on find your company and click on detail. Electronics company code. Click on save. Press enter. Your company code is copied. Now our fourth step is defining plant. The path is enterprise structure, definition, logistic. Click on define, copy, check plant. Thus, click on define, copy, check plant. Define, click on define plant. Click on position, find 1000. Select, click on copy, give your plant name, like I will give KP 50, my first plant. You will give your any plant name, electronics plant 1. Press enter. Here you give further detail if you want. Electronics plant. You give a search term that will help you search better, like I will give 50 or EL to search. You will give anything. The recommended way to fill all the details I will leaving as it. You will fill. My plant is created with KP50. Click on save. Add in same tier. Click on back. After creating plant, you can also, if want to change, then you can change this. Otherwise, leave it. As of now, we will create company, credit control area, company code and plant KP50. Path is definition, logistic, define, copy, plant. You will see here, type SPRO, click on IMG, your enterprise structure, definition and logistic. Before that, we will created 3 term, define 3 term in financial accounting: company, credit control area and company code. Now we are creating plant in logistic. We will create here check plant. Now the next step is create store allocation. The store allocation exists in material management. Same path In definition, material management, click on maintain storage location. Type, give your plant. Here you will define storage location, whatever your business want. Like I will give KP, RM or just RM01 for raw material, and then semi material SMF, semi finished material, semi finished. Then I will give FG for finish. You can also create any other location that required in your business. Press enter and click on save. The three storage locations are created in your plant. The next step is we will create RM01 semi finish, finish goods, and finish goods. Now next step is create purchase organization. These are the steps we have done till now. First we define company, then credit control area, then company code. These are three steps in financial. Then we in logistic we define plants. In material management we define storage location. Now next step is purchasing organization. Same, click on position, type 1000, select 1000, click on copy and give your purchase organization. Like I will give KP OG my purchase organization. Electronics purchase organization. Press enter, click save. We have completed the definition part. Till now we have for of enterprise structure we have created all definitions. The next step is assignment. In next class we will do all assignment, like we will assign company code to company, credit control area to company, plant to company, storage location we assign to plants, purchase organization to company. Thanks for listening. Hope you will enjoy. Please post your all question and query so that I will provide all information what you want or what you want to learn. In next class we will do assignment. I will give you short intro our all course. Our first class is enterprise structure and next class is material management. Coming classes assignment of enterprise structure, material master then vendor master, then info records, then different procurement procedure, all different procurement. I will give name process, procurement process, then consumption based planning, then purchasing, then inventory management, the main role of MM, then valuation and account assignment, and then logistic invoice verification. We will go step by step further also. After completing these all steps, we will go more in depth. We will complete SAP MM configuration from basic level to SAP certification level. Step by step, we go to SAP certifications when we complete all the basics. Thanks for listening. Hope you will enjoy. Please post your query and like the video.